Hello and welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, we are going to talk about retargeting. Basically, retargeting can be a great way to raise brand awareness in the digital marketplace, keeping your company at the forefront of customers' minds. Think of it like a customer walking into your store and went out without purchasing a product. So with the use of retargeting, you can reach out to the customer again, like reminding him about the product and the service that he was interested in. For example, doing sales talk or providing them with a special offer and telling them that this offer is for a short while. This way, you can make your visitor into a customer. Retargeting is very powerful, not only for its ability to convince your visitors to make a purchase, but it will also give you the power to get more sales with a minimum amount of investments. In short, you will be able to get a high return of investment in comparison to the usual advertising. It is so amazing, right? But there is a way to exceed the power of retargeting techniques. It is called behavioral retargeting. Basically, what it does to you is to target and advertise people who exhibit a specific time of behavior. For example, you are getting 1,000 visitors on your website today. Let us say 20% of them spent more than 3 minutes on your site. You will get absolutely high returns from your retargeting ads because your ads will be going to the 20% of your visitors, which are the people who show interest with the product, and there will be a high chance that you will get more sales. In short, you can lower your retargeting cost because it will only target those visitors who have shown interest in your product, and you will be able to increase the return of investment from your ad spend. Retargeting is not an easy task. However, there is this tool that makes it so easy. We call this Applify. Applify gives you a complete behavioral retargeting system, so you can create an audience of super prospect based on how they behaved on your website. Factors like how long did they stay, how much of the page did they scroll, which section did they read, and many more. This way, you can target the most engaged users on your site, save ad costs, and get higher conversions as easy as possible. If you want to get Applify, just visit getapplify.in. Now, let me show you the section of Applify where you can use retargeting. The first thing you'd like to do is to select on Facebook Ads account located on the left sidebar and click on the Add New button. You will be directed to your Facebook account to ask you to continue with your account. Hit continue so all of your Facebook ads account will be added. Click on the sync button so all your pixel code account will be synced. Now, let us go to the custom audience tab to create a custom audience by clicking on the add new button. Select your Facebook ads account, Facebook pixel ID, enter your audience name, URL contains, and the day's retention. Take note that the maximum days is 180 days. Next, let me explain this filter, which is the main highlight of this feature. Basically, it will automatically target and add your audience that has visited on your website according to this drop-down. For example, let us select time on site is at least, add your percentage, I'll have it 50%. This means that you are targeting visitors who spend on your website with at least 50%. You can also add another refinement. This time, let me select number of visits is greater than 25%. So we can now target audiences with a number of visits that is greater than 25% from our website. When done, click on the Create Audience button so that it will successfully be synced. Going back to the Custom Audience tab, you will now see that your custom audience is now added, and target them when running Facebook ads. Have you learned something today? We also have a bunch of videos and demos on this channel. Take a look and you might also find tutorials about the other apps too, which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching!